Today was one of those quiet days where I didn't do anything crazy, but it still felt good. I took my time getting out of bed, made a cup of coffee, journaled a bit, and spent some time just thinking. This vlog isn't glamorous or loud, but it's real. I started posting like this to create a digital diary for my future self. Maybe no one will see this, or maybe one day, future me will scroll back and smile. Build something here, trying to be seen, trying to grow. Even if it's just one person watching. Hi, thanks for being here.